Well, welcome back to my channel, YouTube. Today I'll be showing you Husky limited edition toolbox chests with two pieces, top portion and the bottom portion. Top part is that's gas trucks, very nice, like that, very nice. Both side. Nice and smooth. Ooh. Look at that right there. This is the locking thing. Close it. Close that. The drawers won't open. Now look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you see, right about there. Pull it. It goes in. There you go. There you go. All these drawers can hold up to 100 pounds. It all has only one rail. Top portion is 27 inches. And it's about $180. No, correction, 26 inches and $120. The bottom portion is $180, 27 inches, 5 drawers, heavy duty. And if you want to purchase both of them together, it's about $310. And let's take a look down here. Nice and chrome. If you like the chrome, yeah, this is the drawer. This is the toolbox for you. I mean, this is nice and smooth. Look at that. Husky USA 188 HD Husky, right there you go. Ooh, it comes with a key also. I'm not going to measure the depths of the drawers. You can look that up. And make sure you get a better one. These will tend to bunch up in the back of the drawers after you start filling it up. And look at that, look at that. I don't know. And one, the next biggest depth drawer, and little holes down it, and on each corner, on all the drawers, there's little holes. And I don't know, 100 pounds. What do you guys think? You think it will hold 100 pounds? It will last. And this is the bottom drawer, the very bottom drawer. Come on, look nice. There you go, focused. Oh, look at that, the depth. Look at that. And only has one rail. It'd be nice to have two of them, another one up here. And look at that. I don't know, the back end of it. That's kind of super thin, I think, but it should be, I don't know, look at that. The side one's pretty thick, but the back end is very thin. And the drawer itself is kind of wobbly. And it has chrome rims, so rims on the casters. It's hard plastic, locking. This is the front part can swivel. The other two is stationary. Other than that, it comes with a rail. You can move it around. It's nice. And you can actually lift this up too. Well, that's all I gotta say about this tool chest. Husky. I like their logo. Their logo looks nice. Nice and sexy. Well, good day or good night to you all YouTubers.